Okay. Oh, look.
There it is. Maybe I can shoot this all away, just like my ex-husband. But no, I've got to work carefully with this thing. I've defused a lot of gum in my day, and this is no different. No different at all. No. Alright, just gotta flip it over and get to the wrapper. Oh god, did I get enough milk? No, focus. Gotta make the incision, clip the red wire or the blue. Ah, you idiot, it's gum. Alright. So it's right below the word Wrigley's? Yes? Ugh, I can't see this thing. Gotta take off my sunglasses, no matter how cool they look. And yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, right there. I think I did it. Is it good? Did it work? I think so. Ooh.
We got sketches, we got comedy, we are SOMPTV.